Hi there! Discover the Avrsol Kids Bed Canopy, a princess fairy dream tent perfect for nurseries and playrooms. It features a double-layer yarn design with breathable mesh and shading polyester fabric for privacy and comfort. The canopy measures 40 inches in diameter and 108 inches tall, creating a spacious, cozy nook for reading or sleeping. Easy to install with sticky hooks and no tools needed, it's simple to hang and move between rooms. Included string lights add a magical glow, making it ideal for birthdays, baby showers, or holiday decorations. The canopy is also easy to clean and maintain by simply passing the iron ring through the fabric. Transform any bedroom into a dreamy fairy tale space with this charming and functional bed canopy. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.